Welcome. If you manage a Facebook page and want to make sure you never miss a message from your followers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable messaging notifications for your Facebook page on your PC, following the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Sign in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of your pages. Select the page you want to manage by clicking on its name. This will take you directly to your page's main feed. Now, look for your page's profile photo at the top left of the page and click on it to open the page's main menu. Next, it's time to dive into your settings. On the left-hand side, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Select Settings from here. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications tab on the left side. Click on it and you'll see several notification options. Scroll down until you find Messaging. Click on Messaging to open the messaging notification settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Make sure the toggle next to this option is turned on. This will enable notifications for any new messages your page receives, so you can respond quickly and keep your audience engaged. And that's it. You've now enabled messaging notifications for your Facebook page using the latest update on your PC. This simple setup ensures you stay connected with your followers and never miss an important message again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.